Mentos.
The Frinty fresh. What?
So, yeah, I was having a morning, and I went to go get Meekle because I gave him 2 of my old cameras, and that's why I got the new cameras.
Okay.
And after that whole just kerfunkel of crap, I went to go get him, gave him the cameras, and went to go get him to go pick up his car from the shop. And I was just ranting at him, and then just randomly the Mentos song just came into my head, and I started singing it. And he's like,
"As the Mentos song do."
What? Yeah, he's like, what does that have to do with anything? I'm like, I don't know, man. It just popped into my head.
It's the Fresh Maker.
It is indeed the Fresh Maker. No, that's I was gonna say also incest kids, but I think that's a Coke commercial. No, it's Folgers. That's coffee.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, which is funny because everyone knows
Is
the
it?
best Folgers commercial is the best part of waking up is cocaine in your cup.
For some reason, like, our like high school. Did in your high school, did you have like a like little news special thing where like, oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
I saw it coming and I was like, he's gonna do it. Your child is sad.
Yeah, I'm sad. I'm big
Rock
sad.
your child.
Ah, fine.
You literally drove off a cliff.
I hate this area so much.
I gotta say, if you want to be protected, be in a BB pod.
Anyway.
Are you talking about, like, school news thing?
Yeah, did you guys have like a show?
Not that I remember. I went to 3 different high schools, and I'm pretty sure 2 of them didn't. One of them could have, but I don't think so. Like, I know about them. For the longest time, I just thought they were TV things, because normally I only ever saw shit like that on movies, TV.
Right.
But then when talking to people, and they were like, no, it's an actual thing. Because, like, I know that the last high school I went to, we actually had, a court class. So...
Like a debate club?
No.
Not like a debate club.
No, it was actually really fucking fun. So, instead of, you know how you have to have a government credit?
I hope so. No.
What? Oh, well, they just call it a government credit. I forgot. Pretty much,
Like a
it's just
college
like
credit?
No. It's I don't know. There's it might not be called government thing. It's like politics type of shit. Learn about that crap. But this school decided, well, you know how most schools have student councils and shit? Well, we're just going to, try out a court body within, like, the student populace. So if you're in this class, huh?
I mean, that sounds fun.
Oh, no, it was fun because in this class,
You just did mock trials.
yeah, well, no. Yes, but no. No, they were real shit. So what would happen is if someone got in trouble for something, they would set it up to where they could do a trial. And the students who took this class could be defendants or prosecutors. You could do judging stuff, but it was more involved. And then the rest of the people would be jury. And I did a lot of defense because defense was the funnest ever, because it was pretty much anything goes, okay? So
Okay.
what would happen is they would say, okay, we got these people that got written up for whatever, and they want to do trial thing. So does anybody, want to be defense, prosecution, whatever? And so it'd be like, okay, I'll do defense. So I was allowed to leave, find where that student was, take them out of class, and discuss it with them. Okay?
Okay.
I remember one time, and I told this dude, I said, I'm gonna be real with you, I don't know who the fuck you are. Okay? And this school, small student body. It wasn't like your 700, kids going to the school. There was there was less than 200 kids going to the school. Okay?
Okay.
And so you pretty much knew of everybody. And I was like, okay, you're new. I don't know who the fuck you are. And if I don't know who the fuck you are, most people are not going to know who the fuck you are. Okay. And he's like,
Right.
Yeah, that's fair. So I said, okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to, well, I said, okay, did you do it? And he's like, yeah. I said, okay, now you didn't do it. We're going to fucking lie.
Yo, under oath?
No, it's technically not, because all we're lying about is we're just not saying he did it. Okay? So
Okay,
as long
so he's
as
pleading not
as
guilty.
long as the shit, yeah, and as long as the shit is structured correctly,
Why didn't Trump
then
get Kerb to be
it
his
is
lawyer?
not. Yeah, his fucking
Topical.
lawyer sucks. He didn't have me. So anyways, so I discussed it with him. Everything's fine and dandy. I told him, yeah, we're gonna do not guilty, and there were like a list of punishments in, what you'd have to do, whether it be like, I mean, you could literally go all the way up. I think the highest you could really go is detention, because we never really covered anything that was like expulsion level.
Right, yeah, because that would be ridiculous.
No, I think one time was a suspension level thing, but yeah, that would have been like the one time thing, and that'd be the highest. But yeah, mostly it was like detention would be the highest type, whatever. So
Right.
anyways, so I told him that. Cool, fine and dandy. I think we had until the next day or whatever, coming the next day, and yeah, so during the time, they don't go to that class, and they come in and do the trial. So we do the trial, and I'm on the defense, I have another person in prosecution, and
Right.
you do it just like any kind of trial. You can have witnesses, you can have this, and that, blah, 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 and we had files of, like, all the shit. So we go through our spiel, opening statements, fucking, doing whatever, and I convinced the jury that he didn't do it. Okay? So he got off. So he leaves, and
Right in court?
after he leaves, I'm like, ha, I fucking got you. And they were like, what? And I was like, we fucking lied. And they were like, but that's not fair. And the teacher was like, no, that's court. he's
Welcome
like,
to the law system, kids.
yeah, he's like, he didn't do anything wrong. Like, he did the assignment.
Dissident system strikes again.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty much what it was. And it was so funny because the teacher's just like, God damn. Like, that was fucking convincing. And I was like, and I told him, I said, honestly, because it wasn't such a big deal, I wanted just to see if I could do it. And he's like, yeah, why not? Like, Yeah.
Huh?
Normally,
Huh?
and normally, fucking, you go and do shit. Um, it's all pretty much standard, Other than that type of funny ordeal, it's usually pretty tame. It's usually pretty much like, yeah, you were caught doing this thing, you're pretty much fucked, and then the defense was more of trying to lighten the sentence.
Okay.
As long as the kid wasn't be acting stupid, because you got some people who are like, fuck this, so then the person's like, all right, then you automatically get the fucking punishment. We ain't gonna deal with this shit, you know?
Right. Like,
You don't want to take it seriously to the point where, again, you could have just gotten off or only had to do something minor. Nope, now you got like fucking weeks worth of a detention, you fuck. Yeah, it was pretty fucking fun, I gotta say. Um,
I fucking wish my high school had something like that.
I was like, holy shit, this is fucking cool.
I was in botany club.